Hi, I'm Steve Martin. I'm the Associate Vice Chancellor for Facilities Management here at UNCSA. Behind me is the Semans Arts and Administration Building. It's just come online from a $8.7 million renovation as part of the NC Connect bond. Started last spring and we're finishing it up right before fall of 2020. Let's go ahead and take a tour of the building and show you what's inside. All right, here we're on the ground floor on the south side of the renovation, and this starts with the art schools and their practice rooms. So we have several renovated practice rooms along this corridor, and then again in the main corridor that goes north-south, we have the new seminar rooms, multiple seminar rooms, 4, one on this side, 3 on this side of the corridor, some gathering spaces. Let me show you a seminar room so you see what one looks like. As we come around the corridor, we can also look at our control room and recording studio. This is being further renovated with equipment from one of our alumni, and we hope to have this done in the next 30 days and certainly when classes resume. Also on the first floor on the north end is the Saab multipurpose studio, and I'll show you this. This will be a multi-event, multi-purpose space. It also looks out over Daniels Plaza, and this is going to be on the north end of the first floor. So this is the second level from the breezeway, okay? And this will be a general lobby area. And this is where we have School of Dance offices, and it actually connects to the existing School of Dance corridor. And we have general faculty offices, dance and drama. And to our right is the faculty break room. Coming out of the faculty break room, we have faculty offices. All right, we're transitioning now from the art school space of the renovation to the senior administration. This is more of a shared space. This will likely be a public corridor, which could also be a gallery space or an event space as well. The administration with the art schools, they share this conference room. And as we move, then we come to the administration suite. This will be the chancellor's suite as well as chief of staff, the provost, and the senior administration of the university. We have storage rooms and seminar rooms and conference rooms. Here we have the chief of staff's office.
Hi, how you doing? Welcome to my new space. Still moving in, so it's a little bit messy, but love it.
All right, here we are on the third floor on the north end of the building, and this is going to be our multiple event space. This will also be where our Board of Trustees meet. We have a balcony that looks to the north over the newly renovated Daniels Plaza. Multiple digital monitors, state-of-the-art AV equipment, and also a small kitchen for catering. Yeah, the project is complete. It's been accepted by the state construction for beneficial occupancy. So what that means is we are moving in. We have some punch list items to do, but we'll be finishing up those fairly shortly. And so the building is now ours. Welcome back to campus.